In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your header transparent on free themes like Dawn or Horizon and a lot more. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So as you can see, mine is not transparent right now. This is the default theme, I didn't change anything. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. Okay, so once you have everything ready, you need to go to online store right here. So in this case, I'm using this Horizon theme, but this works for Dawn as well and many other themes. So click this edit theme button and now just click the header right here. So you will see a lot of different settings you can change on this sidebar. All you need to do is scroll down almost to the bottom where you will see transparent background. So right here we can set if we want to set transparent background on the home page only. Then we can scroll down and make it transparent on the product page, the collection page as well. So let's say we want this header to be transparent on every single page. We can do that by just enabling these options. And as you can see, it's transparent now. So if you scroll down, we can see how it becomes visible again. So what you can do is to disable this sticky header. So it can be on never or only scroll up. So if you scroll down, as you can see, it's not sticky and it's only visible when you scroll up. So you can make it on never or however you want it. If you want it to always be transparent, even when you scroll down or anything, what you need to do is click the colors right here and default just set the transparent background again, which is this one, the scheme 6. And as you can see, now it's always transparent even if you scroll down. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.